Welcome to our live show, guys. Welcome to our live show. Welcome. Today I will introduce our palm kernel oil processing machine. If you are interested in edible oil production equipment, you could enter our live show, and I will introduce for you. Our company is mainly produce palm kernel oil, soybean oil, rapeseed oil, and the other kinds of edible oil production equipment. The whole process machine we have, such as pre-treatment and press, solvent extraction oil, and fine refining machine, fractionation, dewaxing, winterization, and the other auxiliary machine we all have. And if you want to learn about the single machine or production line, the production process, you could enter our live show. I'll introduce for you, and then you could type your question and comment area. I can see it and I will answer it for you. Today our topic is efficient palm kernel oil with palm oil production equipment, and we have different skills. Palm oil production line, I will introduce it one by one. And this video is 1 ton per hour palm oil free installation production line. It is very save time. It's very save time. And it's very convenient, and don't much install time. And this production line, this free installation palm oil production line, is easy to move, transport. It just need 3 containers to transport the entire process machine. And if you have if you have several palm gardens, you could transport it to different garden product palm oil, and it's flexible, it's convenient, it's easier to move. Okay, this is our previous project in the 1 ton per hour free installation palm oil production line. We could see it through our camera. Okay. And if you're interested in palm kernel oil, you could enter our live show. Next, let's see this video to learn about our learn about our palm oil production line. First, let's see the palm oil production line. The palm oil production process includes the sterilization, threshing, digesting, pressing, and clarification, filtering, and vacuum drying. First, we use this area sheet sterilizer to cook FFB. Welcome to our live show, guys. If you have any question or if you have any need, you can enter our live show and I will introduce for you. First step is sterilization. We use a hot vapor to cook FFB, to cook the fresh palm fruit bunches, make it softer and easier to remove palm fruit. Second step is threshing. This is our drum type palm fruit thresher. And the palm fruit bunches falls inside, be rolled and heated. The palm fruit falls into the conveyor below, then transported to the digester. This is a digester to destroy the palm fruit, destroy the structure of palm fruit. Then falls into this presser. In the palm fruit, in the palm oil production line, we always equip the double screw palm oil production, double screw palm oil presser. In this free installation palm oil production line, 1 to 2 tons palm oil production line, 5 tons medium and large scale palm oil production line, we always equip this double screw palm oil presser because it has high degrees of automatic daily work to control, and its processing capacity is larger than the single screw palm oil presser. Guys, if you need a single machine, the palm oil presser, the clarification tank, or other equipment, we also could provide for you. We could give you full quotation, configuration plan, and a selection guide. These services for you, give you customization. Okay, this machine with 3 machines is used for clarification and filtering, because the after pressing we could get crude palm oil, but the crude palm oil inside has many impurities. The pure maybe have stones, the kernel, fibers, and the other impurities. So the crude palm oil need to be filtering. Use our this machine to clarification, to filtering, remove internal impurities. Welcome to our live show. Guys, if you want to learn about something, you could enter our live show and type some uncommon area. The soybean oil, rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil, palm kernel oil, palm oil, we all could introduce for you. Okay, this is our palm oil production process. Next, let's see the palm kernel oil production line. After palm oil production process, we could get the whole palm oil, the fixture of the fiber and palm kernel. So our palm kernel production line includes separating fiber with palm kernel machine and palm kernel cracking and separating system, cooking, crushing machine, and palm kernel presser plate filter with machine. Okay, this is the fiber separating machine. It could separate the palm fiber with the palm kernel, and the palm kernel falls out from the tube of the machine. After the separating, we could get the cleaner, not palm kernel, sorry, it is the palm kernel nuts, because it has a peel. We could find okay, this video to see the okay. This is our project. This is a fiber with not separating machine. Welcome to our live show, guys. Now I'm showing our palm kernel oil production line. We could provide entire process machine or single machine, and the other edible oil production equipment we all have. If you have some need, you could enter our live show and type them on comment area. You need your question. Welcome to our live show. And if you are interested in edible oil production process and the machine, you could give us a follow, guys. Give us a follow. Then you could get our start information in next time. Our live show once every 2 weeks. Next time I will introduce machine about our palm oil production line. Okay. This is a palm kernel oil production line first machine. After the separating, we could get the cleaner palm kernel nuts. Then we need to cracking the nuts and separating the pure with splitting the shell with the kernel. This is our palm kernel cracking and splitting system. This is you could say this is a bucket elevator, and this is a magnetic splitter. And then we use a nut grinding machine, grinding sieve, to split bigger nuts with large nuts. And then this is a cracking machine. Crush the nuts shell. Sorry. And then the mixture of the shell and the kernel enter this clone. And this is the fine in the use wind power and the specific gravity to splitting the shell with the kernel. And then we could get the palm kernel. Next is the palm kernel pre-treatment step. First, we equip this crushing machine to crushing the palm kernel, make it split the smaller pieces. Then the smaller palm kernel enter the cooker. To adjust the palm kernel internal moisture with temperature, make it have a better state of the pressing oil. And this is our palm kernel specific presser. It has better oil resistance and if you want to get a palm kernel presser, you could equip this palm kernel oil presser, and the crude palm kernel oil is clean. So the last step is filtering. We just need the plate filter. Remove internal small fiber or other oil residual fiber. The crude palm oil could be pumped to the oil storage tank. Okay, In the past, I introduced our palm kernel oil production line. If you are interested in our palm kernel oil production line, palm kernel oil processing machine, if you have any question or you need, you could type them on comment area or find our contact information in comment area. There has our WhatsApp number, WeChat number, mobile number. You could send a private message or give us a call, and we could arrange right sales manager for you according to your need, according to your raw material, your capacity, and the other needs. We could arrange the right sales manager for you. Our company is this Kernel Glory Oils Engineering Company, and you could find us. We are doing holdings, and we have its own factory and engineering team. We could support customization. If you want to learn about machine, want to learn about process, we could give you free quotation, configuration plan, and selection guide. Except the palm kernel oil, we also could provide the palm oil, soybean oil, rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil, flaxseed oil, and the other edible oil production equipment. Okay, this video is a 1 to 2 tons per hour palm oil production line. Let's learn about it. And the palm oil production line includes sterilization, threshing, digesting, pressing, and the clarification, filtering, vacuum drying. The first step is sterilization. We use this hydraulic door sterilizer to cook FFB. This kind of sterilizer do need more time to cook FFB. Just need 60 minutes to 90 minutes. And the sterilizer is used for make the palm fruit bunches soften and easier to remove palm fruit. Better digester effect than the horizontal digester because of its structure. The palm fruit can stay inside longer time to destroy the structure of palm fruit thoroughly. And the vertical digester inside also equips the heat coil, so the palm fruit could inside be cooked again. During digesting, a little crude palm oil will flow out. So our engineer equipped this oil collecting tank in the pipeline below to collect the crude palm oil. Next, welcome to our live show. We're doing holdings. Our company has 15 experience in manufacturing edible oil production equipment. This video is showing the palm oil production line. This is our presser. It is a double screw palm oil presser. You could see in the inside has 2 screws. Let's see again. Yeah, the inside has 2 screws, and the 2 screws move relative to each other, and then the palm oil will be discharged by beating. In our different screws palm oil production line, we always use this double screw palm oil production line, and we have different processing capacity double screw palm oil production line. We could provide 1 ton per hour to 15 tons per hour double screw palm oil production line. We could support cost variation according to your capacity, according to your need. And the double screw palm oil production line don't need worker to control, because it inside has a hydraulic pump station and a reducer in the tube. These 2 machines could control the double screw palm oil production line internal pressure. Welcome to our live show. This is a palm oil production line. This is 1 to 2 tons per hour palm oil production line. This is our clarification machine. In the clarification, we could equip the 2 machines. This is the first. It is a vibrating screen. It inside has 2 layers. The upper 2 layer is a filter screen. After the first after the vibrating screen, the palm oil will flow into this clarification tank from the middle and the lower part. In this clarification tank, our crude palm oil will be settled in this tank, and you could see after settling, the impurities will falls down to the lower part, and the other part will be cleaner. So we design this skimmer, this overflow device, to pump out the cleaner crude palm oil. Next step is filtering. We equip the plate filter to remove the small fiber in the crude palm oil. After the last the filtering and the clarification, the crude palm oil, well, it is cleaner. The inside impurities is filtered out. The last step is vacuum drying. Because in the first step we use hot vapor to cook and the palm fruit inside also has much moisture, so we could drying it, remove internal moisture, then the crude palm oil could storage stable and storage a longer time. This is our vacuum drying system. We used hot vapor to heat the crude palm oil to boiling. During the boiling, the moisture will go out and then be collect. Okay. Introduce our palm kernel oil production line and the palm oil production line. Guys, do you have any questions? Guys, if you have any question, you could enter our live show, and I will introduce for you. If you don't have any question, I will use our picture to introduce the features of our equipment. Okay, first, let's learn about the single screw palm oil presser. We have two kinds of palm oil presser. First is a single screw. The single screw palm oil presser has a process capacity is 300 kg per hour to 500 kg per hour, and it just stable with home use or simple palm oil production line and the palm oil project starters. Because a single screw palm oil presser inside pressure need the worker to control, so the automatic is bad. So we don't equip it in our project, in our production line. But the single screw palm oil presser used for the home use or single machine is better and it's easier to operate. Don't need more area to placed, and if you need, we have many machines in stock, and we could transport it quickly. Okay, let's continue. The second type is a double screw palm oil presser. This double screw presser has a larger processing capacity. Its capacity is 1 ton per hour to 15 tons per hour, and we could customization for you. You could design a plan according to your need, according to your capacity. With double screw palm oil presser has a higher capacity and better effect and the lower oil residual rate. So the production line will always equip it. Large scale production line or single machine used or small scale production line, you all could use this double screw palm oil production line. Okay, this is our 2 kinds of production machine. If you want to get free quotation, configuration plan or selection guide, we welcome you send a private message or give us a call. Our company is located in Henan Province, Central China. We have 15 years experience in manufacturing edible oil production equipment. And you could find our in internet. You could search the Doing Holdings or Henan Jinwei. No, Henan. Sorry. Henan Glory Oils. This also, you search this name, you also could find us. And our company has an overseas warehouse in Nigeria and an office also in Nigeria. We have many customers. Okay, let's continue. Next, let's see this production line. We also have different scale of the production line. The first is a simple scale, the simple palm oil production line. Its capacity is small. It's 1 to 2 tons per hour, and this production line configuration is simple. Just 3 to 4 machine. The first is a thresher, is a simple time thresher, and it could give you better efficiency, could save the labor burden, and could give you lower cost. And next is a presser. The single screw or double screw, you could choose it according to your cost, according to your need. And the last is a plate filter. In the past, I introduced the crude palm oil. After pressing, the crude palm oil has many impurities, so we need to equip the clarification and the filtering machine to remove internal impurities. But in the simple palm oil production line, we equip this plate filter, because you could see it has many plates, and it inside has many filter close, so it will filter out the small fiber with the large impurities. And if you wanna get cleaner crude palm oil in the simple palm oil production line, we could add a vibrating screen before the plate filter. It will equip the simple palm oil full machines. Okay, the simple palm oil production line is suitable for home use and small investors. This production line don't need more area, and also it is easier to operate, easier to use it, and could give you better oil yield, better efficiency. Okay, next let's see the small scale palm oil presser production line. This production line equipment will be more complete than the last production line. So the crude palm oil quality will be better, and the oil yield also is large, it's higher. The small scale palm oil presser includes the sterilizer, digester, thresher, double screw palm oil presser, and the clarification tank, vibrating screen, vacuum dry system, and clarification tank. Okay. And also equip the steam boiler. This small scale palm oil presser also don't need more area, and this production line use the automatic process, use the PLC, intelligent control system. So don't need more worker in workshop, could give you high production efficiency and better, in fact, the high quality of crude palm oil. Okay, this is the working process. First is the sterilization and the thrashing, digesting, pressing, clarification, filtering. Okay, next, let's see this medium and large scale palm oil production line. This type processing capacity is 10 tons per hour to 120 tons per hour. And it adds a Kernel recovery station, water treatment station, and raw material reception station. With medium and large scale palm oil production line, entire process uses a PLC automatic control system. So in the workshop, we don't need worker to control. It could reduce the personal error, and it also could save the labor cost. The process is same. First is sterilization, and then is thrashing, digesting, pressing, clarification, filtering, and the crude oil will be drying, and the kernel will be separate the fiber with the kernel nuts shell. Okay, next is palm oil refinery production line, and this production line we also could use for palm kernel oil and the other edible oil. The process is different, but the refining machine we could provide for many kinds of production line. And we have the 3 kinds of refining machine: batch type palm oil refining machine, semi-continuous palm oil refining machine, and the fully continuous palm oil refining machine. If you are small scale factory or palm oil, palm kernel oil, edible oil project starter, you could equip this batch type palm oil refining machine. Its processing capacity is less than 20 tons per hour. The 200 kilogram per hour, per day, sorry, to 20 tons per day. In this section, we all could provide for you and design it according to your capacity. This type refining machine has two cans of heating system. This is the electric heating system, and this is conduction oil heating system. The electric heating system capacity is 0.2 tons per day to 2 tons per day. And the conduction oil heating system section is large. It is 1 ton per day to 20 tons per day. And batch type palm oil refining machine don't need more area, just need just need 100 square meter to 200 square meter could get the batch type refining machine. Okay, the second type is a semi-continuous palm oil refining machine. Its processing capacity is 5 tons to 6 tons per day, and its automatic is higher than the last one, than the batch type, because in the refining process is include the includes the 4 steps. In the last step is the deodorization. This semi-continuous palm oil refining machine, the last deodorization section is carried out continuously. Daily worker to control, so it will reduce the personal error, give you higher efficiency, the better effect, better quality of the refining oil. But it don't need more money. Okay, the last one is a fully continuous palm oil refining machine. Its processing capacity is more than 60 tons per day. Its whole refining process is full continuous. Use the PLC control system to control. It's suitable for medium and large factory. Okay. Next, let's see about the palm kernel oil production equipment. First is the presser. This palm kernel parts just has the one type presser in this. Its capacity is 500 kilogram per hour. And this kind of presser suitable for home use, the factory, small investors, and so on. And this kind of presser is a specific presser, so it has a better wear resistant, and it's automatic. It's suitable for press production line and home use single machine uses. Next is the palm kernel cracking and separating machine. Its capacity is 2 to 3 tons per hour to 4 to 6 tons per hour. And this is the system. It could cracking the palm kernel nuts shell, separating the shell with the palm kernel, and has a low broken rate of the palm kernel. Don't need local to control. It is fully continuous. Its shredding rate is more than 95%, and separating rate also is more than 95%. Okay, last is the production line. In the palm kernel oil production line, we will equip the palm kernel cracking and separating system, crushing machine, cracker, cooker, and the palm kernel presser with a plate filter. Its capacity also is 2 to 3 tons per hour or 4 to 6 tons per hour. Okay. Guys, do you have any questions? If you have any questions, you could type them on comment area, and I could introduce for you, answer your question. And if you are interested in the other oils such as peanut oil, rapeseed oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil, rice bran oil, and the other, we welcome you. We welcome you. Ask me. We welcome you. Give us a call, and we welcome you visit our factory. If you give us a call, we could equip the common area for. We will arrange a sales manager for you. Okay. If you don't have any question, I will welcome to our live show, guys. We are doing holdings. Our company is located in Henan Province, Central China. Our company is mainly produced for edible oil production line. Includes many kinds of edible oil. The soybean oil, rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil, and rice bran oil, palm kernel oil. The all equipment we could provide for you. In the comment area, there has our contact information. If you have some need or question, you also could type them on comment area, or you could find our contact information in comment area and send a private message or give us a call. We will arrange sales manager for you, give you free quotation, configuration plan, or selection guide. This is our factory. We have its own factory and engineering team. We welcome you visit us and introduce our equipment, our factory for you. Okay,